This is Project Country Cruise, an E.C.D custom Defender 110 built to our client's exact specification. Country Cruise is painted in full gloss Cornish cream with black accents. Country Cruise sits on 18-inch Kahn 1983 wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. This 110 features a Defender A-bar front bumper with worn winch, OEM side steps and an E.C.D custom black steering guard. Inside, Country Cruise features an Exmoor Evander wood steering wheel with autocross grey gauges, 2 Puma Classic front and mid-row seats with 4 inward-facing jump seats in the load area. Each seat is finished in a square stitch Garrett Berkshire black and Caressa saddle leather stitched together in black. Country Cruise is powered by our L92 410 horsepower engine with 6-speed automatic transmission. This 110 also features an array of modern conveniences such as JL Audio sound system, Apple CarPlay, rear AC and access to USB ports throughout.